for this one, if we want to take the derivative, do you understand this is your u? So y prime, what's the derivative of u? What's the derivative of ln x? It is 1 over x. So the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. And what is u? ln x. Okay, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x over u, which is ln x. That's u prime over u. And that's basically it. It's going to be 1 over x ln x. That's it. Which could be 1 over ln x to the x, if you really want to be mess with powers. Are we okay? Now, number 78, it looked kind of freaky at first, but it's not that hard. You just got to find the u, the inside piece. All right, this piece, we're doing in implicit. So the first thing we're going to do is this one. So what's kind of weird here is for this ln, we're going to derive this. It has two pieces. So to derive that, you see a chain rule, a product rule. So for that piece, it's going to be a product rule. So derivative of x is 1 times y plus, leave the x, derive the y, and isn't that over xy? Derivative of the top, which is the product rule, over the inside, u prime over u. And then simply, derivative of 5x is, nice and easy, 5. Derivative of 30 is 0. And when you do implicits, your second step is to get the prime by itself. Your goal is to get this little guy right here by itself, so you can find out what the derivative is equal to. So in order to do that, I first would move over my 5. And I'm going to end up with y plus x y prime equals negative 5 xy. Now I just skipped a step, but do you understand I minus the 5 over? And then I multiplied the xy over. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to multiply xy over. So I minus the 5 over, and then I multiplied the xy over. 2 steps in one. And I got to get this by itself, so the next step would be minus the y over. So xy prime equals negative 5xy minus y. And divide by x. And there's my answer. Now, could I pull a negative y out of the top if I really wanted to? Yeah, but that's not going to cancel with anything. So that's good enough. Y prime is equal to that.